This is a new Lost Avenue bound for local train. The next stop is Nevins Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.